Hi, I'm Jason. I'm the founder of Season Cookshop, and today we're going to be cooking with the humble Leek. We're going to do a miso glaze, and we're going to be continuing those Japanese flavors by doing a seaweed crumble. We got the idea from a seaweed crumble from making a dukkha, and if you haven't checked out making dukkahs before, I'm sure we'll do one soon. We're going to be using the seasoned griddle pan. The great thing about this griddle pan is it's enamelled cast iron. So cast iron, you can stick tons of heat through it, it doesn't matter, so brilliant for getting lots of smoky flavour and the lines on the leek. But also because it's enamelled, it doesn't need seasoning, so you don't have to keep putting oil on it and re-seasoning and keeping it seasoned. You can just wash it up with washing up liquid like you would any other conventional piece of cookware. Anyway, let's crack on. That's very good. Loads of umami flavour coming through. Beautiful texture of the crumb, and then this creaminess of the dukkha just balances it beautifully. Definitely give this one a go.